Here's an example of how to do long division. So say you have the number 2,944 and you have 8 friends who want to divide 2,944, we'll say dollars. What you do is you take the number 2944 and you put the division sign here and put the number 8 on the outside. Then from left to right, you go to each number, go, there's 8 going to 2. No, it's bigger than 2. So anytime it's bigger, you go to the next number. Does 8 go into 29? Yes. How many times does 8 go into 29? 1 is 8, 2 is 16, 3 is 24, 4 is 32. So it's 3 times. So you put a 3 up here, and 3 times 8 is 24. Okay? So it goes in 3 times. And it doesn't go 4 because 4 is 32. So then you just subtract those two. Let me remove this line here. Then you go 29 minus 24 is 5. Okay? So now you bring down the next number, the 4. And you get 54. How many times does 8 go into 54? Well, 6 times 8 is 48, and 7 times 8 is 56. So 7 is too big, so it's 6. So that's 48. And then you subtract that again. The difference between these two is 6. So now you do it again, and you bring down the next number. And you get 64. 8 goes into 64 how many times? 8 times. Put 8. 8 times 8 is 64. And 64 minus 64 is 0. So now you know you're finished because you have a remainder of 0 here. So you look up here, and 368 times 8 is 2,944. So if you had, for example, $2,944, and your 8 people, say you did a project together, how do you divide it? You'd get $368 each. So that's how you do it. You put the number that you want to divide into by the divisor. You go to the first number. If it's greater than the next number, the number you're dividing by, you grab the second number from left to right, and you figure out how many times it goes into. You put the number down here. You bring the next number down. Do it again. Put the number here. Find the difference. Bring the next number down. Figure out the number again. Put it there. Find the difference. So it's 368. So this is called long division. So go ahead and try it yourself. One way you can do this is by taking a calculator and, just predetermining a number that'll get a whole number at the top, and then just run it through yourself, right? So for example, if you took like 7 times 52, 7 times 52, you get 364, right? 364. So then if you did this, 364, and I did 7 to 3, nope. So 7 to 36 goes how many times? 5 times, right? So I put a 5 here, put 35 here, put a 1, because it's a difference of 1, bring down the 4, right? You don't have to draw the arrow. I'm just drawing the arrow for you to show you. It goes to 14. You put the 2 above the number, the last number you brought down or you're using. 2 times 7 is 14. 0. So 7 times 52 is 364, just like we did here, right? So same as here. Again, remember, you put the solution above the number, the most recent number you're using. So then when I moved over one, I put it over there. When I moved over again, put it up here. So that's called long division. In the future videos, I'll go over some more difficult problems in terms of, for example, if this was 68, how to do it. And if there was a decimal place, how to do it. Or if this was 6.8, how would you solve that? So those will be future ones. It's not that difficult, just rules you have to understand. But this is called long division. Helps you solve problems. As you can see, we multiply it out and we backed into the same number. All right. And again, you don't need to draw these arrows, but I just use that one to keep things lined up and to show you how things are lined up. See, and these numbers are lined up as well up here. Okay. All right. I hope that helps you. And looking forward to showing you some more math.